Poor Princess.
You know what? You could make this a lot quicker and easier if you'd cooperate.
She says, I am cooperating, Daddy. Just not the kind of cooperation you're looking for. You want me to help you? How much is that doggy in the pink dress? She says, get Sammy and make him do that. Poor little puppy. She says, isn't this child abuse?
Okay, she's got some real gnats,
Yeah,
right?
she does. I see them. I'm going to take the scissors and... It's where she scratches, Daddy.